Hi everyone, my name is Taka Tanaka. I'm the President and CEO of AUTEC Inc. To make a good sushi rice is considered as the most important yet most skillful job in making sushi. Traditionally, it requires 7 years of training to learn how to make a good sushi rice. Today I'm going to introduce new tabletop rice mixer ASM730. With this rice mixer, anyone can make 10 to 20 cups of sushi rice in approximately 2 to 5 minutes. I will show you how this works. As many of the people who are watching this video may already know, having a good sushi rice is considered as the most difficult part of sushi production. The reason is very simple. The rice changes the characteristics by changing the temperatures. That is why it requires people to quickly move the cooked rice from the rice cooker and mix it and blow the air to remove all the unneeded vinegar and the steams to settle down the rice. The person is required to do all these steps fast and carefully not to smash the rice kernels within 5 to 10 minutes after the rice is cooked. This is why making good sushi rice is very difficult and takes 7 years of training. A rice mixer ASM730A is NSF and UL approved. It does not matter if the person went through the 7 years of training and knows about the rice's unique characteristics, but anyone can make a good sushi rice with the press of a button. Let's compare the speed and quality of sushi rice side by side. As anyone can see, by using the machine, the rice and vinegars are evenly and quickly mixed. At the same time, since the machine blows the air inside and takes away all the unneeded steam and vinegar from the rice. On the other hand, if the rice is mixed by hand, it takes more energy and time to mix and remove all the steams and unneeded vinegar. So the rice becomes smushy and sticky and unevenly mixed. With our ASM730A, not only anyone can make a well-mixed sushi rice, but also helps you save rice, time, and labor. Some of the states such as New York and California now require people to use stainless mixing bowls and wear gloves, so that it makes more difficult for people to make well-mixed sushi rice. Our ASM730A is famous for its unique design and mechanism and for the good reputation among the restaurant owners in Japan. Please comment to see more detail and the reasons why we can recommend this ASM730A on our website. We have showrooms and local representatives in many states in North America. Please contact us anytime and let us show you how we can solve your concerns using our new rice mixer ASM730A.